Hello po sa lahat. Welcome po sa aking channel. Ngayon sa video na ito ay pag-uusapan natin ang mga requirements sa pagpoproseso or pag-apply natin ng travel order or travel authority na gagamitin ng isang DepEd teacher or DepEd non-teaching staff para sa kanyang travel abroad. So ayun, marami kasing nagtatanong din sa akin kung paano ako nakapag-travel nang hindi na offload sa IO. So, sa video na ito, I hope na meron kayong mapupulot or kahit idea. Okay, disclaimer lang, this is based on my own experience po. Okay. So, ito po yung DepEd Order number 46 series of 2022, which was dated on October 17, 2022. So, dito po pinag-usapan ang specifically yung personal travel abroad. Mako-consider siya na personal travel pag personal leave mo, no? Pag naman, official, like for example, scholar ka, gagamitin mo yung foreign official. Pero sa ngayon, pag-usapan natin yung personal travel abroad. Dito po sa DepEd Order number 46 years of 2022. Meron na pong mga amendments doon galing sa DepEd Order number 43 years of 2022. So, ito na nga yung general guidelines na susundin natin. Tsaka, another basis din na pinagkukunan natin ay yung DepEd Order number 1. Yung this year lang, signed by Sara Duterte din, no? DepEd Order number 1 series of 2023. Andun din yung nakapaloob yung sino yung magsasign ng travel order natin, no? So, ito nga, January 9, 2023. So, nandito din sa mga revised, sa mga annex, yung nakapaloob yung personal foreign travel. So, dito sa section ito, sa school level, for the teaching personnel, yung magsasign is yung superintendent yung recommending approval. Tapos, RD naman yung mga-approve ng travel order natin. So, again, a disclaimer, everything that will be discussed here is purely based on my personal experience, no, upon processing my travel order for personal reason in traveling abroad. All right, so our step number 1 is of course to seek permission from our immediate head through writing, of course, a letter. So, ito, pag teacher ka, syempre, you will ask permission from your school head, kung sino magti-take over ng class mo. Pwede kang humingi ng pabor doon sa kasama mong teacher or si school head ang mag-take over ng class mo. Depende na yun sa arrangement niyo po sa school level. Tapos, of course, you will also write a letter naman addressing to our school's division superintendent that you will be having a travel abroad this coming blank to blank, no? And then just specify in there that no DepEd fund or government fund shall be used during your trip, kasi yun talaga yung nakapaloob sa DepEd order natin. So here, nag-attach na rin ako ng sample, no? So very truly yours, tapos pangalan mo, and then of course approved by your school's division superintendent. Alright, so step number 2, of course, once you already have the approved letter from your division superintendent and from your school head and from your co-teacher, of course. Pero yung document is for your school's division superintendent. Once approved na po yun, just submit that letter to your division HR, no? Hanapin mo yung in charge doon for traveling abroad. Tapos sa kanya ka magpa-advise kung ano-ano ang mga requirements. Tapos, pagkatapos nun, bibigyan kanya ng mga requirements and then advice din. So, here is the list, no, na binigay sa akin. Basically, across the country na itong requirements. So, you can also benchmark on this. So, yung hiningi sa akin yung approved letter. Pagkatapos makita yun ng division HR na in charge for travel abroad, saka niya ako binigyan ng mga listahan. So, ito yung mga listahan na binigay niya sa akin. Number 2 is yung of course, yung CSE Form 6 or yung leave natin, of course, approved already by your school head, no? And then, number 3 is division clearance. Ibibigay din yon ng kausap mo na HR in charge for traveling abroad. Pagkatapos, kukuha ng no pending case, no, na certification. So, sino ang mag-issue nito? Syempre, andun din sa division office yung division legal natin, yung attorney. Alright, so number 5, yung teacher's clearance. So, yung teacher's clearance is school level lamang yun. So, kukuha ka nun dun sa school mo. Alright, so our number 6 requirement is yung oath of undertaking duly notarized by any attorney, no? Specifying who will take over your duties and responsibilities as teacher or as an ADAS or as any position, no? And number 7, travel order. Yung format na travel order is ibibigay din ni HR. So, yung format nito is you will sign it, recommending approval by your SDS, and of course, approved by DRD. Alright, so itong number 8 is add-on only. So, it will depend na sa ninyo, sa Division HR, no? Kung magre-require siya ng GSIS screenshot of SOA. So, step number 3 is to comply all the requirements as soon as possible. So, as soon as possible talaga kung lalo na kung yung travel date mo is malapit na, diba? So, you should at least have an allowance of 45 days or 1.5 months. Alright, so our step number 4 is to accomplish your leave form or your CSC form number 6 in 4 copies, no? So, have it approved by all the signatories. You can offset that in your service credit kung meron kang service credit. If wala naman, depende na yun sa arrangement ninyo ng school head ninyo. If non-teaching ka naman, pwede mo i-offset sa yung CTO or sa mandatory leave or any personal leave, no? Special leave. So, this is the sample that I have attached. So, this is mine, no? So, yan, pinapakita ko lang sa inyo yung leave form ko. Alright, our step number 5 is to accomplish your teacher's clearance, no? And the division clearance. Yung division clearance, doon yun din kukunin sa HR in charge, no, ng leave for travel abroad. And then, bibigyan ka niya nun. Tapos, while andun ka na din sa division office, you might as well accomplish na lang lahat ng signatories na nakapalob dun sa clearance. So, this is the sample of my division clearance. So, yun, don't make me concerned. This is to certify that my name, presently employed as your position of station. Tapos, yan, magsasign yung mga signatories ng inyong division dyan. Tapos, and at the bottom of it is approved by, of course, the superintendent. Ito naman yung teacher's clearance, or in my case, sa non-teaching personnel, ito na clearance. So, depende sa clearance ng new school or ng inyong division, no, kapag non-teaching ka naman. So, just have it signed, everything of it, no. And then, of course, may attorney din dyan na magsasign. Attorney from division office. And, of course, yung at the bottom of it is yung SDS pa rin ang magsasign. So, yun. Just a slight note, no. Might as well unahin mong kunin yung step number 8 or 9 ba yun? Yung GSIS SOA. Before ka magpa-sign, balik dun sa in charge ng payroll, no? Dun sa division. Kasi before siya mag-sign, hahanapin niya yung certificate of undertaking from the lawyer, no? Hindi lawyer ng DepEd, kundi lawyer ng tagalabas, no? From any private practitioner, no? And then hahanapin din ng payroll in charge bago siya mag-sign ng clearance, yung signed na SOA ng USIS staff. So yung SOA, don't worry, hindi yun kagaya ng mga loans na SOA, no? Ito ay yung parang nakikita din natin kapag nagsuswipe tayo ng ating mga UMID card, no? Just tell the staff that ito lang yung hihingin ko na page. Just one page lang, parang summary lang ng mga loans mo, and then have it signed by him. So yung dalawang document na yon, yung certificate of undertaking on who will take over for your class, no, or for your job, at saka number 2, yung GSIS SOA na screenshot, no, signed by the GSIS personnel. So yung dalawang yun ang dadalhin mo doon sa in charge ng payroll. Tapos pag complete na siya, saka siya magsasign ng inyong clearance. Step number 6, ito na yung sinabi ko kanina na affidavit of undertaking, no, for travel abroad. More or less yung cost nito sa labas is 400 pesos. So medyo mahal siya, no, but this is their rate. I don't know how much is the rate in your place, pero yun yung rate dito sa amin. Tapos ito yung sample ng affidavit of undertaking. For privacy purposes, nag-delete ako ng mga position, name, and everything. So, depende na yun sa format ng basta na specify niya doon na no obligations whatsoever to my creditors na specify. Tapos, sino yung substitute dun sa job mo. So, lahat ng yun nakapaloob, tapos magsasign ka. So, basically, yung hahanapin lang ng lawyer is yung valid ID mo, tapos yung pangalan ng mag-substitute sa'yo. Or baka hingin niya yung approved letter din. So, yun. Alright, step number 7 is mag-prepare or mag-print ka ng travel order. Of course, pre-signed by you. And then, format, of course, will be given by your division HR. Of course, this is already based on the new DepEd Order, yung DepEd Order number 46 series of 2022 for personal travel abroad. Alright, so sa travel order na ito, yung yung DepEd Order number 43 series of 2022, wala pang recommending approval na nakalagay. Kaya ito sample ko na ito, wala pa siyang recommending approval by SDS. Pero yung bago, yung DepEd Order number 46 series of 2022, kailangan nyo lang lagyan dyan ng pangalan mo, di ba? Yung attested by you, tapos recommending approval yung next, no? By your SDS, so magsasign si SDS. Tapos sa bottom or panghuling na magsasign is yung regional director natin. So ito ang sample lang ng travel order ko. Anyway, bibigay naman yan ni Division HR sa'yo. Step number 8, of course, yung sinabi ko kanina na hihingin din ng Division Payroll, no? So, depende na po sa Division Payroll ninyo kung if she or he will ask for the SOA or screenshot, no? I mean, screenshot of your SOA outstanding balance. Dapat signed ng staff ng GSIS. Alright, so ito yung sample ko ng nahihingiin ninyo doon sa GSIS. So, parang ganito lang din yung nakikita natin sa sa pag-swipe ng UMID card natin in any kiosk. So, ito lang yung hihingi natin doon sa staff, tapos ipasign mo siya doon sa bottom, tapos dalhin mo doon sa Division HR, saka siya magsasign ng clearance. And of course, our step number 9 is to review all the documents. Tapos dapat in order, doon sa list na binigay sa inyo ng HR. And then, review everything and submit to Division HR. Meron akong nilagay dyan na note, follow-up HR or Division Releasing, no? Kasi pag wala sa HR, nasa Releasing. So, kung nandun ka sa Division Office, might as well, makisuyo ka na lang din na pwede hingin mo yung yung cellphone number din ng releasing kasi baka dumating na, 'di ba? Para may may guide. All right, so And of course, last but not the least, yung step number 10 natin, more or less 30 to 45 days yung processing. Kasi regional level na lang siya, unlike nung dati na central office pa yung naka-approved. Usually talaga 3 to 4 months bago bumalik sa'yo yung yung approved travel order mo. Okay, so dun sa pagsasubmit mo pala sa receiving section ng division office, dapat may transmittal ka para may record ka kung kailan yan na-receive. Kasi meron tayong pina-follow na number of days as government service. So, ayun, in my own experience, November 28 ako nag-file, bumalik sa division office December 28, with the new guidelines. So, ayun, I was so happy na meron akong approved travel order in just a matter of 1 month or 30 days. So, kasama ng approved travel order, the RD is itong endorsement to the division office, So, nakapaloob lahat ng instructions nila. Tapos, of course, signed by RD. So, don't forget na lahat ng documents na yon ay ibabalik sa'yo. Tapos, of course, for IO purposes, dalhin mo lahat ng yun kasi baka hanapin yung leave mo or yung approved letter, kasama na yung travel order, tapos endorsement, baka hanapin lang ni immigration officer. So, might as well, dalhin mo na lahat ng necessary documents na posibleng hanapin ni IO. So, ayun guys, I hope meron kayong natutunan on this video, and if you have any questions, you can message or comment in this video below, or meron din akong another video na ginawa in my traveling abroad, your posibleng questions ni immigration officer kapag DepEd employee ka. So yun lang, and then happy trip and good luck on your journey. We will travel as much as possible habang bata pa tayo. Okay, hindi forever na until 60 years old nandun lang tayo sa 4 na sulok ng ating classroom, 'di ba? Saka pa tayo magde-decide na mag-travel abroad, 'di ba? So might as well do it while you're young and able and healthy, 'di ba? Hindi naman kailangan na marami kang pera. So maraming paraan actually na makakapag-travel ka abroad in minimal budget. So, yun guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel po if you like this video. Thank you po.